I give thanks to your holy name. You have been with me all throughout my life. You have made me secure. Your presence has always been my inspiration. Your presence has become my inspiration. You know everything about me. You have given me so many chances, yet I still fail. But you rise me up